Cool. So, collision theory. Let's have a think. What does collision theory actually mean? Well, there's three main key points to collision theory. For a reaction to happen, molecules have to collide, be at the correct orientation, and the right activation energy has to be there for the reaction to actually occur. So, collide. Well, that's pretty straightforward. Got two molecules. They have to hit each other, otherwise they're not going to react. Okay? What about the correct orientation? If we have a look at this diagram down the bottom, okay, we've got nitrogen monoxide, the black one's the nitrogen, the clear one's the oxygen. We've got O3, and we've got that forming nitrogen dioxide and O2. Now, in order for the nitrogen dioxide to form from nitrogen monoxide, O, the nitrogen has to rip off one of these oxygens, okay? So this nitrogen's happy, it's next to the oxygen, it's next to the O3, so it rips off one of these oxygens, forms NO2, and we get left with O2. So we're cool, we're in the correct orientation. But what about up here? So up here we've got NO and O3. Here the oxygen is actually next to the O3 molecule, okay? So the nitrogen can't actually rip off one of these oxygens. And so we get no reaction, okay? Nothing happens because the molecules are not in the correct orientation for the reaction to occur. So that's the correct orientation. They have to collide. They have to, the bits that want to react have to be next to each other. And finally, have to have the right activation energy. Okay, so you would have seen by now, hopefully, energy diagrams. Okay, so that's the energy of the reactants, that's the energy of the products. The energy required for this reaction to occur is called the activation energy, or EA we often symbolize it as. You can't see that. Woo! Okay, so energy of reactants, energy of products, the activation energy. So our reactants are at a certain energy, whatever that is. If they collide, in order for them to actually form products, when they collide, the amount of energy present has to be up here. If it's not, if they collide and the amount of energy is down here, nothing will happen. Okay? So, collision theory, they've got to collide, right orientation, and the activation energy upon the collision must be there. Otherwise, nothing happens.